everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I am going to do a Dutch pour. I really loved the way it came out yesterday. So I figured, let me give this a little try again today. And what I'm using on the bottom here is, this is my leftover bottom that was everything that was in my paint yesterday. I picked it up and I put it down here. I collected it all in a cup, and I'm telling you, it looks beautiful. It's got a lot of iridescent color in here. So I think this will work out well. We're gonna see. We shall see, we shall see. I'm gonna use some of the colors that I had yesterday. Absolutely love these colors, that's for sure. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Whoops, who left her straw in the black paint. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Please wait for the close-up. Thank you for coming. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.